Hey boys and girls, this is this week's challenge. Last week we did our garbage can and sock basketball shooting challenge, so I hope you guys had fun with that. We did start out with a bottle flip challenge, and I know that was a big hit. This week we're going to do a cup flip challenge. I figured if you can flip a bottle really well, you could probably flip a cup really well. So Mr. Mobile was looking around his kitchen. I found a Solo cup. It was clear, so I wrapped it in some tape so you guys can see. It is a plastic cup. It's not a glass cup. Do not use glass for this challenge. You can use a plastic cup, preferably though a Solo or any kind of plasticware cup that you could throw away at the end. Okay, so this week's challenge. We're going to do the same thing we did with the bottle flip. You're going to have 1 minute to see how many times you can flip the cup over onto the side you drink from. Okay, so we have the bottom of the cup, which is the smaller circumference, and then we have the part that you would drink out of at the top, the rim of the cup, which is a larger circumference. We're trying to flip the cup from the bottom and land on the top just like that. Okay, the best way to do it is to have it hanging off the side of a table or a counter about halfway so that you can put your finger underneath and flip the cup over. All right, I did it on my first try. That was pretty good. So the challenge is in 1 minute. How many times can you flip the cup from the bottom over to the top in 1 minute? Like the bottle flip, I used Alexa, and I had her do a minute timer for me. She probably heard me just now. She's going to do it. Oh, she did it. Okay, so 1 minute. How many times can you flip the cup over onto the top so it lands just like that? All right, so there is other ways you can challenge each other at home amongst your family. You can get 2 cups and challenge each other, and you could see how many each other get in 1 minute, or you could say, I'm going to race you. The first one to get 3 wins. And you would be racing someone across the table from you, and you're going to try to flip it over like that 3 times. Or you can race them in the minute. There's plenty of different variations you guys can do with this one. The results that I'm going to reveal on Friday is just going to be Mr. Movio seeing how many times he can flip the cup over and land like this. How many times can I do that in 1 minute? All right? So I hope you guys enjoy this challenge this week, and you will see my results on Friday.